Hey guys, I got this huge box. It says it's from eBay. It's really big. Even though it's in an Amazon box, it says it's from eBay. I actually do not know what this is. I've never seen a box this big before. Like, I've never seen an Amazon box this big. Because we don't have big Amazon boxes coming to our house anymore. We usually get small boxes if we order Amazon, guys. It's so hard. Like, I'm getting through. Okay. I'm getting it in. There's like stuff over it, so I'm kind of scared, guys. So let's see what it is. If you know what it is and you just had a feeling, don't tell me. See, how are you guys gonna tell me? I voted today. Just kidding. My mom voted. Okay, let's flip it this way. Okay, and this side's clear. I'm just gonna take all this wrapping and put it there. OMG! It's the Rock the Universe Labubu. Okay, guys, I am 100% keeping this box because it's actually really pretty. This is the Rock the Universe Labubu. It's like basically the Big Into Energy Labubu. And I've been seeing it everywhere. Every video I see. In the background, there's always this. And I'm like, I wish, even though I have the other one. This is gonna go perfect next to my Zamomo. Perfect. Because I actually, I didn't see what it looks like in person, but the thing is I can't open this box. And I don't want to ruin the box. How do I, I'm just gonna go like this. Just cut the box. Oh my god, that's so sad. The box is getting cutted. Okay, so time to the No, I ripped it. I ripped the box. You have to make sure I go in enough so I don't rip the box. Oops. Here we go. Oh my god, the card is amazing. Guys, look at the card. Here we go. Rock the Universe, here we come. Oh my goodness, this is so big. I'm so scared, guys. I do not know why I'm scared. Oh my god. Face reveal in 3, 2. I can't get it out. I'm gonna go like sideways so that I don't. Oh, it's actually cute. This is so cuter than Why do I always think they aren't soft, but they're actually so soft? They're so cute. Why are they so adorable? My friend, she has 2 Labubus, 2 big Labubus, but she doesn't have a Zamomo. She doesn't have this one. So I hope she doesn't feel jealous. But yeah. I love her Labubus. I don't have her Labubus. We don't have the same kind of Labubus. But this one's so fluffy, guys. It's gonna go so well next to my other one. Ready, guys? Look, the eyes move super fast on this one. It's not like slow like the other one. Okay, guys, we actually have to take him out. Like, I want to see what he actually looks like. Well, guys, we saw it, but like, I want to see what it feels like just actually holding him. I don't get it. How do I get it out? How do I get my baby out? Burr, butterbean. Okay, guys, I think I got the head out, but I'm not sure about anything else. I have to rip the back of the box so I can open it correctly. Guys, this video is already 5 minutes long. I have to go fully out. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. This is so cute, and I do not want to hurt him, but I kind of am hurting. I got his feet out. Now I just need to keep ripping. I'm strong, I'm powerful. I'm gonna win this. Okay, guys, maybe that won't work. Put all the garbage in the big box. Guys, I don't get why it's an Amazon box, because I feel like it's not supposed to be there. I feel like it's supposed to be in an AliExpress box or a Temu box, because like that's where my mom gets all my Labubus from. Come on, break. This is hard. I really don't want to get a paper cut. Whew. This is not working out. How do I do this? Finally, got that piece off. Now I gotta get this piece off. It's not coming off. Yeah, and guess what, guys? I think I just got a paper cut. Unbelievable! Oh my god, I think I just figured out something. Did I just cut that? Let me cut this. video has been 10 minutes long and I haven't like talked, but he is actually so cute in person. I love him. But I can't get the back off. Oh, Mama! Come here. Because I need you. Okay. Guys, I like literally need a chainsaw in this process. I wish my dad had a chainsaw so that I could just chainsaw whatever is on this poor little thing. I can't get the poor little thing on. It's from eBay. Guys, it's actually from eBay. I didn't even know my mom had eBay. Guys, this is crazy. Guys, you want to know how I know this is a huge big into? This is the big into energy. This is like the actual secret of big. Because look what that says. Up there it says big into energy. But it's backwards, but big into energy. This is big into energy. Sorry about that, kids. Okay, so I'm just gonna give you a tour about this card. So, Rock the Universe, the Monsters. This little Pop Mart sign. I know it looks like plain, but it's actually shiny. It's like shiny. Can you see that? It's shiny. I know you guys say that only that's shiny, but like this other stuff is like all like. Can this one stand? Nope. Why can none of them stand? Okay, still, it's so cute. And like, this is also shiny. This is really shiny. Big into energy, and it says down there, energy flows where intention goes. And she's really cute. Let's buy more. But my mom needs to spend more money then. She needs to spend more money. Because we need more. Of buy big blah blah blah. We need one more to be my friend's collection. But I'm not being mean about that. Because she's still one of my best friends. I love the color of the eyes. Like the purple part, guys. Look how their eyes move. The other ones go like slow. See, like they go like that. But these ones, you can go like really fast. Because they're loose. Ooh, Possess the Boo Boo. Another kind of Possess the Boo Boo. Regular La Boo Boo. Possess La Boo Boo. Looking that way, La Boo Boo. Looking that way, La Boo Boo. Looking that way, La Boo Boo. Thank you. Okay, so you go like Possess La Boo Boo. Other Possess La Boo Boo. She's so cute. And I love her. And look at her little necklace. It's so cute. Hi. Well, yeah, that's it. I'll make another video. So bye.